Now let's explore our Twitter analytics. So here we have two sections. Once you are here on twitter.com, you will see your account. And here you will see two buttons. The first one is Twitter ads and the other one is Twitter analytics. Let's go here to Twitter analytics. So here you will discover an overview of your main metrics. So these are the most relevant metrics to track in this platform. And this is one of my favorites because you are measuring here the impact of your ads and obviously your organic content. Here you also have some additional metrics like profile visits and mentions and followers. This is also a great overview if it is the first time you are here exploring the analytics. And here you will see there are some other metrics that are complementary. So for example, we have our videos. In case you have this type of content shared in your Twitter account, you will see the performance day by day. Here you can also explore your metrics and see the performance in a specific period and time. So here, for example, you can go to the previous month or even go a little bit behind of the period we are at. Since 2014, Twitter Analytics has been available for all accounts, whether you are a business or you have a personal profile, which is amazing because you can explore the tools and the complementary metrics and everything here in this platform, no matter if you manage a huge account or you are just starting your own business. This dashboard is dynamic, so here you will see the performance of your ads and your organic tweets. And here you can explore by menu if you want to go to your top tweets or tweets and replies or promoted tweets. Here you have a description of the metrics and here you have an overview over time. You can also go here and export your data by tweet or by day. You can export it on a CSV file and obviously you can create your own visualization based on the data that you're pulling. But today we are going to automate this process. So let's take a look at a template that I have created for this specific social media. For this automation process, I'm gonna look for a connector. So I'm gonna type here on the search bar at Google Data Studio Twitter. This time I'm gonna use the Porter Metrics connector and I'm gonna click here on Twitter Organic Analytics because I want to connect my organic data. This is similar that we already saw on LinkedIn and on Facebook. So I'm gonna click here and then here to authorize the connection. I'm gonna follow this process and I'm gonna choose here this option, connect with my account, my Google account, and all done. This report contains two different data sources. The first one is Twitter ads and the other one is Twitter Organic Analytics. Let's go and click here and understand how we can get access to this Twitter ads. So first, if we are here, we can go through this three dots menu and see if we have access to Twitter ads. You will see your accounts that are connected under this business. There is also another way to get access to our Twitter and ads account. So here you can sign up for Twitter ads, clicking on this blue button, and you will see all the accounts that are under this business. Getting back to this template, I'm going to start pulling the information that is important for me to read the performance of my metrics. So the first page is dedicated to Twitter ads, and here I have a report according to the different objectives that I have in my campaign. So here I have the clicks objective, engagement objective, and follows objective. Then I can see some metrics in terms of results, the performance, and obviously the ads spent. On the other page, I will see the impressions, the Twitter engagements, and different metrics that are important for me to read how my organic campaign is performing and how my account is relevant for my audience or not. So let's pull the information and have this report finished. Now we're going to add the data source to our report. So I'm going to choose this one. This is Twitter ads, and this one, Twitter Organic Analytics. Let's start by this one. I'm going to press this button and authorize the app to connect with my API or my account of Twitter. This message will appear and I click here to select my new connection. I need to be logged into my account, my Twitter account, so once I'm here I will see this message and we're gonna click here and authorize this app, and once my account is selected here I'm going to choose this next step. Close here, and now I'm going to select my account here. So I can select all the accounts that I have under my name, or I just can select the account that I just authorize here. And probably I see this error when I start connecting my data for the first time. So I'm gonna click here on Add Data and see my data sources. Now I see here that I don't have connected my Twitter ads. So let's do so. You can find your data source by going here, portermetrics.com/connectors, and selecting the connector that you need. So in this case, we're going to use the Twitter ads connector. Click here on Start Now, and I'm gonna click here on Make a Report. I can connect my account from this part of the website, or I can also go to the Google Data Studio library and select this connector. I'm going to do the same steps that I've done for the Twitter Analytics connector. So here I'm authorizing this app, but here we have a different structure of our data, because here we're only able to see the ad section of these accounts. Now the process is similar, but as you are going to see here, we have different and more accounts. So here I have this button and this section, so I can select all available accounts. I'm going to do the same process here, allow to include more data, and connect. Every time you connect directly from the website, you will see a new report is going to be included here. So you can start by clicking here on Create a Report, or you just can get out from this window and getting back to your report. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm getting back here to my report and I'm going to add my data. I'm going to click here and select Data Source and look for my connection here. I can click on this pencil and the new option will be displayed here to integrate my data. I'm clicking here on Done, and now my data is being pulled. So now let's go to the next page of this report and see the Twitter's Analytics connection. My data is loading, so I just need to make sure I have here the right account. So every time I need to confirm that, I can click here on that pencil and see if my account is connected. My data is ready. Now it is time for you to start exploring this tool. You can also do this with your personal account, so you don't need to have a business to try this connector and see what are your engagements, your impressions, your likes, and your interactions with your content.